What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It is barber talk time again, and I hope you guys are excited for this one. I am. This one is about, a lot of crazy stuff always happens at the shop, so different experiences, bad experiences, good experiences, but today it's another bad experience. I think you gotta have a lot of bad experiences before you get a lot of good ones. So this happened like around maybe I was still working part-time at the shop. This happened even before I went full-time. It was a Saturday. I'm not sure if it was a weekend for sure. The shop's full, people walk-ins, this and that. I think it was only like 2 barbers, or was it? Yeah, for some reason it was only 2 of us. Yeah, 2 of us, because it was just, I got this one kid. He wanted a fade, but he just didn't know how short he wanted it from the sides, because I think he had a comb over. Pretty sure he had a comb over. So that's pretty much medium fade or something, and then the top, just like pretty much how I have it, it's just skin on the sides and stuff. And then he couldn't make up his mind. We literally spent like it was like 45 minutes. I was done, and then we spent an extra 30-40 minutes because I was just trying to fix this guy's haircut because he kept wanting it shorter. I passed the mirror to him. This kid was probably like around, let's see, like 12-ish, 13-ish. That's pretty old, don't you think? So you don't know what kind of haircut you want. It's like you wanted to cut, but you don't know how short you want it. So he kept going short and shorter and shorter. So finally, we're done with this haircut. He probably wasn't satisfied because he probably wanted skin all the way up or something. Because I kept going shorter and shorter, and I was like, okay, cool. And when I get into those kind of situations where I take longer than it should be, just because it's either a picky client or something, at time I feel like time goes super slow. I feel like the whole shop is looking at me for some reason or something like that. Just like the pressure is super real, and I can't wait to get those clients off my chair, man. I'm just like, oh, finally, on to the new, like a fresh start. So that happened. I get my other client, which is another kid. I was doing his fade all legit. It was going good. So about 30 minutes go by. I'm about almost done with this new other client's haircut, and the little kid shows up with his big brother or dad or something, and I see him. I was like, oh, okay, cool. Maybe his little brother recommended me, but that's not how it worked out at all. I was cutting this dude's hair. Poor dude. He heard the whole conversation. He was just like all, I don't know, like he cared but he didn't care because his cut was looking good. So he was just like, all the dude was telling me like, oh, you're gonna fix this and that, like trying to whop my butt or something. I was like, please, bro, I'll lay you down. I'll lay you out. Yeah, but outside, not in the professional building. But anyways, he was just like, oh, what is this? Like, you left some hairs and all this crap. And I was like, no, I didn't. Where? This and that. He was just saying I left hairs and stuff, like the what fade or something. I was like, don't disrespect my craft. But anyways, I was just like, what are you talking about, this and that? He doesn't even know how short he wanted it, this and that. And I was like, okay, cool. And then he's like, oh, refund, this and that. I wasn't going to go through all that crap. I was already new. I was fairly new to this shop. I was already panicking. I was like, man, you know what? Go talk to the other barber. I sent him to one of my dudes on the far right. He's an excellent barber. I didn't know what to do in that situation. You're not really prepared for these situations until it just happens to you. And then you try to figure out something. So I was like, I don't even know how to work the register. I don't know how to do it. So I was like, And then I was just like, oh, just talk. I was just like, man, you know what? Just go talk to the other barber. And then he did go. He was just still pissed. He was like, oh. And then he just walked off to the other one. And the other guy already had someone in his chair. So he was finishing his up. And then I've been trying to finish mine up too. And the other guy was just waiting. So after he was done, he just got in his chair. They fixed it, whatever. Made it shorter, even shorter, I guess. And that was that. It felt bad because it's like people get mad and stuff, but they don't even realize you're new or something. So I feel like I was like, if I were to explain like, it's okay, man, I'm like new, this and that, it's no problem. He's gonna go fix the haircut. It's not like I cut too much to the point where you don't have anything. So everything's fixable usually with my cut if I mess it up. But anyways, I was just like, damn bro, relax, you know. I was just like, it's not even scared or anything like that. Like, I don't really care about that. Yeah, because I could defend myself, but it's just tough. Like, I don't need those kind of experiences, but I know they will happen sometimes at the shop. It's just how you react to them. That's how you're gonna, hopefully peacefully resolve everything. But yeah, that was my freaking experience. Has that ever happened to y'all? Or did you guys get down or something? I don't know. I've seen some cool videos on Facebook where fights happen in the barbershop. And I know that's super unprofessional and all that, but it happens. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Right now, I'm nursing my knee. I did mess it up, so I've been out of the barbershop for a couple of days and stuff. But I'm ready to go back at it real soon, when my knee gets better. So, that's it for this video, guys. That's my experience. That's the one I've been wanting to tell you guys. And it took me a while to get over that. I haven't seen the kid since then. I think it's been like a month and a half, I believe, or 2. I feel like it's been like 2 months or something like that.
When did you finish school?
I don't know.
I think it was July.
Yeah, like a month and a half out.
So it's been like 2 months. We're already in September.
Yeah, it's been like 2 months and I haven't seen the kid yet, so thankfully. But I did get a lot better now, so hopefully he comes back, you know. But not his brother, because I'm scared. Just kidding. A lot of you guys may know I am going to BarberCon. It's going to be super exciting. There's going to be a lot of awesome barbers that are influencers in our industry, like Stay Gold Sophie, Chris Bosio. The Elegance team is going to be there, so it's nice to see familiar faces. I already kind of like introduced myself to the Elegance team, so it's going to be cool. It's going to be really packed. Jay Mayer is going to be there. The barber that cuts Floyd Mayweather's haircut, Iced Out Barber is going to be there. It's going to be a good time. There's going to be so many cool people. I hope to see some of you guys out there. I'm going to be enjoying myself, trying not to be a fanboy out there with like people like Vic Blends. He's going to be there. It's going to be so awesome. I messaged him a few weeks too, because he wasn't going to go. I told him, you better go there, man. I got to meet you. Yeah, because of me, he ended up going. Nah, just kidding. But he is going for sure. It's going to be a good time. I really hope to see y'all out there. If you guys are out there, come say what's up. I will be recording.
Who are you most excited to see at BarberCon? Is it BarberCon?
It's Las Vegas Barber Expo.
Oh, Barber Expo. My bad.
So it's the Las Vegas Barber Expo. The person I'm excited to see, I'm not sure, because it would be Wester Barber, but I already seen him, you know, so I already kind of have like that. I already seen you a few times, so it's like, I don't know. I think maybe like Vic Blends and Chris Bosio. I've been watching them a lot from like barber school, especially Chris Bosio. I've been watching him for a while in barber school. So it's kind of like I want to meet this guy because he influenced me in barber school a lot. Like I'm sure it did to a lot of you guys as well. So that's one of the big guys I want to see there. Yeah, pretty much. Because Stay Gold Sophie, of course I want to see her too. She's cool, you know, all her work is super clean. But more like influence, it's like people like Chris Bosio and stuff. I still got to find out what other barbers are going to go to. It's just going to be a good time, and I can't wait. But yeah, that's it, guys, for this video. Let me know if you guys are going. That'll be awesome. Okay, guys, I'll catch you guys later. Take care.